Hey, so here we are. Our application has been done here. So we have applied two coats in here. So we've had a base coat layered with a mesh, and then we top it up. So it's a sandwich layer of the base, which has to be done this way. So this way the base coat will stick to the primer, and we've got mesh sitting on top of that base coat, which is still like 45-60% dry. So, and then after we have another layer covering on top of the mesh. So this way the mesh grains will not gonna come through, but still this base coat, it needs to be fixed up after once it's dry, so we can have at least all the layers level, especially this. And on this stage it's gonna cover up all the uneven levels, so where there's like not level and all that, like cover ups, it's gonna cover it up. All right.